In the heart of the Rio Grande Valley, something powerful is happening. At Brownsville Business Development Group, we believe everyone deserves a second chance and a first opportunity. From our very first day, we've created jobs, trained future leaders, and employed the homeless by giving them the tools to thrive. But our work isn't finished. There are still people waiting for someone to believe in them, for a path forward, that someone could be you. You can support our mission. Donate to fund training, housing, and life-changing programs. Partner with us as a business, educator, or community leader. Volunteer your time, your skills, your heart. Spread the word, because awareness is power. We're not just changing lives, we're building a movement, a cross-border future powered by opportunity, compassion, and action. Join us, invest in people, empower the future. Visit brownsvillebdg.org to get involved today.